Honor the Lord with your possessions, and with the firstfruits of all your increase. The generous soul will be made rich, and he who waters will also be watered himself. But who am I, and who are my people, that we should be able to offer so willingly as this? For all things come from you, and of your own we have given you. A man's gift makes room for him, and brings him before great men. For if there is first a willing mind, it is accepted according to what one has, and not according to what he does not have. Give, and it will be given to you, good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over will be put into your bosom. For with the same measure that you use, it will be measured back to you. Now may he who supplies seed to the sower, and bread for food, supply and multiply the seed you have sown, and increase the fruits of your righteousness,